Amazing location and value. If you're a discerning buyer, then this property will suit. And it could be the best decision you have ever made. The home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it features lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen has stone benchtops and quality appliances. This home represents excellent value because of location and will give comfort and security. It comes with open-plan dining and family living, as well as a laundry to lift your spirits. Add to that an undercover patio area. Looking to create family fun and memories? Perfect for a young family. This home could be yours. Don't delay.